Mono, you're a sunrise on the far side of the sea. You've got dust in your footsteps in a space here next to me. I see your name on my phone, and my whole room feels less cold. Your laugh comes through the distance like a story left untold. And I know the miles are heavy, but they never learned your name. Every map I lay my hands on points me right back to the same. Mono, come over to me. Mono, come over from mountains to the sea. I'll be waiting here with my heart on my sleeve. Mono, come over to me. I picture you on a train ride with your bag and your blue jean coat. Rain on the platform shining while I stand there hoping close. We could walk through the high street, take the long way down the lane. You'd say my accent's funny, I'd say your smile is worth the plane. And I know the miles are heavy, but they never learned your name. Every map I lay my hands on points me right back to the same. Mono, come over to me. Mono, come over from mountains to the sea. I'll be waiting here with my heart on my sleeve. Mono, come over to me. If it takes a little longer, I can hold this hope for years. I've got room here by the window for your suitcase and your tears. Say the word and I'm ready. I'll meet you halfway through the night. From the gold of your horizon to my little patch of light. Mono, come over to me. Mono, come over from mountains to the sea. I'll be waiting here where your name can finally breathe. Mono, come over to me. Mono, come over to me. One day, you'll come and stay with me. One day, you'll come and stay with me.